Hey guys, this is Jay Patel, one of the PA working here at MyFitMed. Today we'll talk about brain health and how to improve your brain health. As you age, body goes through a lot of oxidative stress, and oxidative stress plays a key role in memory loss and ultimately leads to Alzheimer's. If you are suffering from chronic fatigue syndrome, if you are feeling tired end of the day, if your concentration is gone down, you're not able to concentrate on one task at work or at school, the combination therapy we use here at MyFitMed may work best for you. Alpha lipoic acid is one of the things we use for brain booster therapy. Alpha lipoic acid is one of the strongest antioxidant and it crosses the blood-brain barrier. So it improves your nerve health in your brain and it may improve your brain cell. Alpha lipoic acid is a cofactor for a lot of mitochondrial activity. So it not only improves your brain health, but it may improve your overall energy. We use alpha lipoic acid in combination with NAD therapy, which we have discussed in the past. That NAD is one of the brain booster. NAD therapy is one of the coenzyme for mitochondrial activity, and it helps you produce more ATP, which your body can utilize as a source of energy. So one is to improve your brain cell, other is to improve your energy and concentration. When this is used in combination, it improves your overall well-being, it improves your energy, it may improve your concentration, and it may improve your overall brain health. If you have any question, just give us a call, follow us for more educational video, and give us a thumbs up.